Oh, what's going on? What's good? What's good? What's good? Today, it's just me, baby. It's just me. Just like the old days, boys and girls. Just Patrick. We're going to be spending some time together, making some money. Look at you can see my screens. Look how beautiful these things are. We got this one over here. We got this one over here. It's getting wild. It's getting crazy. We got the PPI. PPI coming out there. The PPI. Y'all know about that PPI? What's good? PPI. I took a little trade here this morning already. Took a trade here on this pullback. Probably could have held that one a little longer. We pulled back right into the middle of that big PPI number there. Big PPI. And look at that. That was kind of the bull flag little setup right there. Off of that 60 level up there to the 21,120s now. All right, all right. We've got this high there at the 142s. And that was also the overnight high there as well. So overnight high, kind of watching here, 143.75 overnight high. Who's gonna win today? The Bulls, the Bears, we're back. It's Turbo Tuesdays. All right, all right. So, what are we looking at here? What are we looking at? We got so many screens, so much profit. Looking at the ES chart up there. Looking at the 4-hour chart. Big boner candle on the 4-hour chart right now. And also on the hourly chart, looking a little wild here as well. So hourly chart, if we look right now, we're looking here. Hourly chart, we bounced off of yesterday's close. So yesterday's close, that kind of key level. I'll identify that obviously, but that yesterday's close is this dotted line right there. Dotted line, yesterday's close, and we bounced off that, ripped straight up. Oh my lord! Talk about a good time to be long. Check out that move. Ding, ding, ding. 8:30 numbers coming out. Market going to the moon. Big old candle. Big old candle there. That's a big old candle. You can see that 2-minute candle right there from the 960 area all the way up there to the 21,130. So big news this morning, PPI report. Will we get some good action here today? Right now, a pivot point there as well, 21,091. That's it. That's right. That's right. We're doing it live right here on the tube. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button, blow it up. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Good morning. We're back in the BDH. Set up, ready, looking good, feeling good, baby. You can look at that. Oh, God, we got so many angles, so little time. Who's got this many angles? Who's got this many angles? Nobody. Nobody. This chart's really funny. Like, look at this computer screen over here. You gotta like put your head all. You gotta look all the way up. Wee, wee. It gets wild. It gets crazy. All right, all right. NASDAQ having a little bit of trouble making a new high here. Let's see what happens at open. If we get a breakout to the upside, or do we get stuck in this range? We got that low, obviously, from the data down there at yesterday's close. So we are kind of gapping to the upside right now. Anything is possible. It's the wild, wild west around here. NASDAQ, baby. She goes up, she goes down, she goes wherever she wants to go. All we can do is just hold on for the ride, you know? Just grab the reins and I don't know if you even grab the reins. You just got to hold on either way. So it's time. It's weird. I was thinking about it this morning. You know, it's been like a long time since I've like worked in an office. Or wait, I mean, I've never worked in an office actually. The whole entire time that I've been live streaming on YouTube, I've been live streaming from, you know, my house, from like the extra bedroom. So now it's kind of funny, you know, waking up, I gotta go, gotta drive to the office now, to the BDH here. So get humble trader on the stream. I don't know. This is the this monitor over here is the LG Arc 55-inch curved monitor. Just, I don't know why I have it. I just kind of thought it would be funny to have this massive monitor on my desk. It's like, it's not actually convenient at all, but it's pretty funny. It's just massive. It's like literally just massive, this monitor. So YOLO. You can see over there in the other camera how big it's, like taller than I can't even reach to the top of it. Can't even reach it. Can't even reach it. Got to put Top Step TV on here. See what's going on over there at Top Step TV. Are they live right now? Oh, they go live at 9 a.m. now. They used to go live at 8 o'clock. Changing it up, I see. Changing it up. All right. All right. Well, we can change it up too. All right. I'll go early. I'll go live early. Haha. See who wins this battle. All right. I know yesterday we had some people that were complaining about not doing a lot of trading yesterday, but we were doing a lot of talking. But today I'm back, baby. I'm back. I'm back. We're into the nothing but trading today. No talking, just trading. Why do you need all them monitors? What? What? I don't know. Why does anybody need anything? Why does anybody need anything at all? So I don't really have an answer, I guess. There's not like an answer to like, oh, well, the reason I have all these monitors. What'd you have for breakfast? I had a protein shake. I normally don't really eat breakfast. I'll eat like a protein shake, take my vitamins, take my supplements, and then get ready for the day here. When will your personal live account be ready? Whenever I put money in it, I guess. Not that I'm delaying. I've been so busy with the office and stuff that like, I want everything dialed in, right? Like I want to get dialed in again before I start trading personal capital. Like I want to get like, I want to be in a good mental spot. So I'm like, no rush, saving a little bit of time here. Trade the prop firms for now. And then once I feel like I'm like, all right, now we're ready. Now we're ready to go hard. Patrick, you should visit my company, my country. What country is that, Ben? Oh, you're in Vietnam, I see. PW, you are the man. I'm trying to be like you. Don't be like me, be better. Trust me, you can always be better than me. More monitors equal better peripheral focus. That's how I look at it, If my monitors are, if I want to make big profits, I got to have big monitors, right? I mean, that's math. I might not be a genius, but I mean, that just, to me, just seems like math. Simple math, actually. So, let's see if I can. I don't know. So I'm still dialing in that camera over there. It's not like the perfect spot yet. I need to get it more behind my head. I want to like maybe do like a head cam, Patrick Wieland head cam. So that way I can move my head around. You guys see exactly what I'm looking at. Oh, put a GoPro on my head. POV, baby. Why do some scalpers sometimes switch to day trader right away intraday because they do not want to hit the stop loss? I don't know what that means. How much expense do you have to trading beside the combine cost, like TradingView and others? I pay for TradingView data, I guess. So it's not like not a lot of expense. I don't know exactly the perfect answer to that. I don't really look at it, to be honest. People ask me like, Patrick, you drive a big truck. Isn't the gas expensive? I'm like, well, I don't really look at it, to be honest. I just put the credit card in and fill it up. The last time I looked at the price, I don't know. I don't even look at the cost of gas anymore. Do you still trade Apex? Yes, still trade Apex. When will you actually be trading? Will you be calling out your trades? Will you be mentioning what you're looking for to take the trade and confirmation you were waiting for? Congratulations. That was a lot. That was 10 questions in one. Yes. Yes to all of those questions. Every question you just asked, yes. Yes, yes, yes. So basically, if I say, hey, if we break above this high, I look for a move up here. Like that's kind of, me telling you what I'm looking at. That's my idea, right? Right now we're holding up here at the VWAP. There's always a chance, that we pull back here a little bit more. We've seen plenty of times where we get these big moves when the data comes out. The market does the exact opposite at open. So just because we had this big old boner candle to the upside does not mean we're going to go higher. It just means like, hey, this is what happened after the data. Now we wait for our bull flag, we wait for our setups, and we look for the party here, baby. Right now, sitting right there, the VWAP. Patrick, I built an indicator. Would you be willing to review it? Maybe. What do I get? A cookie? What you gonna give me? Patrick, which camera do you use? It's the Sony ZV-E10. Don't buy it because it overheats. I'm getting rid of it, actually. Man, how do you get a woman who cooks eggs and meat? I don't know. Go to the meat market. When am I going to be in New York City again? You never know. Patrick, can you explain if you buy 550K Apex accounts, how does it work to trade copy, and can I test all of them at once? Yes, they have the trade grouping in Tradeovate. All right, so NASDAQ losing that VWAP, pulling back here. We're seeing what happens. Are there any guests today? No guests today. Just me, baby. I'm sorry. Just me today. You got to deal with just old Patrick Wieland calling out the markets like nobody else. That's right. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like, free to subscribe. Every like helps an angel get its wings. Every like makes me feel alive. Did my internet just go out? The fuck? How ridiculous. This monitor here is something else. It's kind of cool though. What is happening right now with this fucking shit? What? Can we get Dodgy versus my son Fortnite? Yeah, I'm working on it. Working on it. Any 90% Apex deals? Not today. Not today. What's the music playlist? Seems to be a secret. It's really not. It's not a secret at all. If you go to, there's this website or a YouTube channel called Epidemic Trap Beats. It's just like stock music that doesn't get flagged by YouTube. Watching this 15-minute chart, I want to see kind of like if we're going to hold the middle of this breakout candle, right? So we had this big old, if you guys were here, on last week for the Brett Simba Fibonacci retracement setup here. We're kind of pulling back right into that 618 level. So if the bulls can hold this and start to push up, that'll be obviously kind of a bullish setup to see if we can't get through this 140 area, the overnight high up there, 144, and see what happens. Data, the news coming out here. PPI, the PPI, PPI, PPI. Patrick, what do you think of full auto algo trading? Like, it works. I don't know. If you right now, I think Apex deal right now is 50% off. So I know everybody wants that 90% deal constantly, but you know, hey, it ain't always on 90% sale. Sometimes you gotta just get, you gotta get it when you get it. Patrick, how many accounts do you trade? What contract size per trade? Yeah, I trade a lot of accounts, a lot of contract size. When I was trading the Apex accounts, I was trading like two contracts per account. What is my December P&L? I don't know, like $800,000 or $700,000 for December. People be like, but Patrick, you never show us your P&L. Well, if you look right here, Patrick Wieland, December, $608,000 in payouts with Apex. So I don't know. There's my P&L. Congratulations. Has Patak reached out to ask how to stream half as good as you? No, I don't think so. He'd be very, hey, you can't beat Patrick Wieland. That's the problem, right? It's just like, you just can't beat it. You can't beat it. Truth wins. Did you see the exposed video of Apex and their lawsuits? I saw the video. I don't know if it really exposes anything. If you think that video exposes something, then you'd be really surprised to know that every single prop firm out there only makes money off of people losing. So, I just putting that out there, there is not one prop firm that makes money from people being successful. So, I don't know. Again, I don't know all the facts and everything, but I'm just a YouTuber, bro. But from what I've seen, there's if you video recorded every single meeting of every single CEO of every single prop firm, I guarantee at some point somebody's going to say something that could be cut out and not look good. The ex-partner is not suing many other firms. Well, obviously he wasn't working for other firms. He's suing Apex because of the technology or whatever. I don't know. So this is not the only prop model. SMB and Avatar want profitable traders. Yeah, well, SMB is not a futures prop firm. Hey, like I've said before, I have no idea exactly what's going to happen with the whole prop firm world and all that. All I know is right now, just, make the money while we can and put it in your bank account and enjoy it. Everyone's freaking out and talking about regulation and all this stuff. And it's like, hey, let's try to make some money while we can, baby. Let's make some money while we can. And then we'll figure it out. So I'm sure the the court will figure it out when they figure it out at some point. Again, you know, I think there's always two sides to every story. There's always more info out there. We don't know exactly all the info, and kind of just is what it is. Do you need a real trader? Nope. I only like fake traders. What size are the flat monitors? They're 43 inches. Whee! 43s. What am I looking for in this environment? Momentum, basically momentum. I mean, we're kind of setting up here, pulling back into the middle of that 15-minute candle there, the data candle, PPI report came out, and we'll see what happens. Look at yesterday's daily candle. Okay. Oof. Looks bullish. Looks bullish. Why did I stop using Bookmap? No real reason. Just too much information sometimes, you know? People like to overcomplicate trading, and my goal is to undercomplicate it. I want to make it easier for myself. I don't need a million different indicators. I just need to see what's going on, price action, take my trade, and make the money, man. You know? Honestly, some of my best trades that I've ever had, well, maybe not like ever, but some of my like best trades are just simply looking at the price action, getting into a trade and letting it go. What do you think about extending your only prop firm's top 10 payouts to top 100 to make this thing a lot more competitive with all of us guppies? I don't know what that means. That was a pretty good trade when I was locked out. Patrick, in the next 1 to 4 years, do you see the S&P and the NASDAQ crash or going much, much higher? I think the market's only going to go higher. Inflation is real. The questions that I get in the chat sometimes are hilarious. Patrick, what do you think is going to happen tomorrow? Patrick, do you think that the market's going to go higher in 4 years? Well, you know, the market is built to only go higher. Are you planning on hiring? I want to join your team. I'm planning on hiring, but there's a thing. There's a you know, a saying about hiring. People that want to get hired are normally not the ones that you want to hire. Right? I know that sounds funny, but like, it's the guys that don't want to work for you that are like, they're all, you know, like those are the guys that I want. You know what I mean? Like, I want to find the guy that's like, man, I don't want to be on YouTube. And I'm like, come on, just be on YouTube with me. Come on, man. You know, like, that's the guy that I want. Where's the annoying guy from the first stream? He's traveling, actually. Emilio. Y'all are really, everybody was really hating on Emilio, man. Yesterday your stream was boring. Thank you. It can't be every fucking day getting crazy. The chat right now. I mean, we're gonna, hey, that best part is like some days we're gonna have different people on the stream that are different, like yesterday, Matt, he's the owner of a brokerage, of an IB, right? So he's worked in a totally different world than the prop firm space. He's been around for the last 25 years in the industry. So it's good to get different perspectives. Maybe the next person we have is going to be a young crazy trader. It's always going to be different. The whole point here is to have different views and different ideas, different people talking about the market here in the BDH. So today it's just going to be me, baby, just me. Just me. Is it just you? Bring in Danny Trades. I do want to bring in Nutty Bar, actually. I'm going to text Nutty Bar right now. Nutty Bar. Fuck, I don't know if I saved his number. Shit. He's got an Android. How do I find him? Where'd you go, Nutty Bar? Oh, I found him. All right, I just text him. When you gonna come in? When you coming in? Nutty Bar, Nutty Bar. We're gonna get Nutty Bar. We could either fade him or copy him. We're gonna find out. ICT, yeah, we'll get ICT. I don't know where Dung Do is. I don't know where Dung Do went. Dung Do, where are you? Look at this just real estate that we got here. We got so much real estate. We're gonna make so much money with all this real estate. Has ICT paid you? No, he hasn't. He owes me $500,000. If you ever see ICT, remind him. Remind him that he owes me $500,000. All right, so 21,060 area right here at the VWAP now. On the VWAP now. Saw someone in the chat saying they're going long. I don't hate the idea of going long here. I might want to wait till market opens. Can you explain the charts on the left? Yeah, we're looking at it right now. This is the 2-minute chart. What do you want me to explain? This is the NASDAQ 2-minute chart. Pivot point, VWAP, 21 EMA. No, the chart's on your left. What are you talking about? It's over. This is on my left. It's on my left. Look. That's the 2-minute chart that we're looking at on the thing right there. A 2-minute chart. It's on the left. You got the 2-minute chart, the 4-hour chart, the 1-hour chart. Got the ES up there. I normally kind of change this between 15-minute and 2-minute chart there. And then I got the 15-minute chart on this big monster thing. The other left. Guys, it don't matter what I got. Just relax. Just relax. Let's read the book while we're waiting. Listen up, because this is where the rubber meets the road. Identifying trends, riding momentum isn't some mystic art. It's a skill. Like any skill, you can master it with the right tools and practice. Look at that. Look at my little face on the back. Who would have thought Patrick Wieland would have a book one day? Oh, it's amazing. FF, you are going to lose today. Damn. You think I'm gonna lose today? All right, I'm just not gonna trade, guys. Somebody in the chat said I'm gonna lose, so it's just it's time to just surrender. I give up. See you all later. Goodbye. Just kidding. We're back, baby. It's time. Hey, look, it's smart energy, right? It's the smart energy. So it gotta make me smarter. Gotta make me smarter, man. Where do you get the book without the course? Oh, I got you, dog. Only propverbs.com. Get the book. Pat, can you show us how you use NVIDIA, Tesla, ES? Right now, I'm not actually using any of those. I'm using the ES, but not looking at NVIDIA or Tesla right now. What moves the NASDAQ? Patrick Wieland moves the NASDAQ. Yeah, the book is on Amazon as well. Funded Futures on Amazon. You can get the digital download for only 99 cents, I believe. What if we already bought the course? Can we still get a copy? There is a copy of the course inside. Well, there's a copy of the book inside the course for a digital download. We got 8 minutes here till market opens. 8 minutes. You're the best day trading mentor on the internet. Oh, God. I hope I'm not that. Hey, Pat, saw you on the Trade Brigade yesterday. Who's Trade Brigade? Trade Brigade? I wasn't on Trade Brigade. Wasn't me. Wasn't me. Must be. How much for the paperback version? I think it's 20 bucks. $19.99. $19.99 paperback. Takes 2 to 3 weeks to ship it. I don't know exactly why, but yeah. You can also buy my mugshot shirt as well for $24.99. Oh, Lord. All right, NASDAQ holding up here, 21 EMA, the VWAP. We got a big wick. We got a big wick, obviously getting through that rip straight up. We got the overnight high up there at the 42s. I think after that, I'd be looking for kind of that 21,200 level possible. If these bulls are holding, like I said, we're holding the middle of that 15-minute candle. We still got 7 minutes till market opens. 7 minutes. It's anybody's guess. My friend named Kurtan. Learn trading from you. Can you give a shout out? Yes, shout out. When you go to other car meets, do you meet other YouTubers? No, I normally meet other people that watch my YouTube subscribers. I had a guy at the car meet on Saturday. He walked up. He's like, Patrick, I heard your voice before I saw you. I'm like, I guess that's a compliment. He says he watches my live stream every day, so. Patrick, are you trading ICT? Yes. That's all I do. ICT. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, we got some more giveaways today. We got a couple more take profit accounts to give away. A couple more. We blow that like button up. We go, baby. ICT still owes me $500,000, and I will never forget that. I will never forget the fact that he owes me $500,000. He made a bet and he won't pay the bet. I think that's like the worst of all the things, right? If you're a man, of all the things in the world, I mean, there's some bad things that you could do out there, obviously, but top 10 worst things that you could do. In the top 10, if there were 10 things that a man should never do, a man should never make a bet and then not pay the bet, right? Murder, yeah, obviously that's bad, but like top 10 worst things that you could do. You know, am I gonna do a podcast with Riz? No, I'd rather fucking stab my eyeballs out. Like literally give me an ice pick and I'll just stab my eyeballs out. I'd rather stab my fucking eyeballs out than go on a podcast with Riz Badabadubala. Yeah, no thank you. Literally just fucking stab me in the face. And that's kind of drastic, actually. Maybe not that drastic, you know. I'd rather go to the dentist. I'd rather go to the fucking dentist and get my teeth removed than go on to Riz's podcast. It's not personal. It's just, you know, hey, you know, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. All right, all right. Ugh. What concept do you use? PW concepts. Do I miss the garage? No, because I'm pretty much just in a big garage now, actually. See, I'm trying to, maybe you guys can help me. You need security cameras. I have security cameras. Why the fuck are people, guys, I don't need advice on what to do in life, right? I'm already winning. So when you say shit like, Patrick, you need a security camera, I've already got 8 security cameras around this building at all times. Relax. Patrick, you need this. Patrick, you need this. Will you just shut the fuck up and let me live my life? You know, just let me fucking live, people. How was the ribeye last night? Oh, you know it was good. All right. NASDAQ doing exactly what we thought it would do, going up here off of the middle of that 15-minute candle. But I do want to wait for open now. We got 2 minutes and we'll see what happens. You need windows. What the fuck you need windows for? Only thing I'm looking at is a chart. I got no time to look at no windows. I got no time to be looking out the fucking window. There's no windows needed. We are in the fucking fortress. We are on the fucking ground floor. This is the BDH. Don't need no windows. I got windows on my PC. That's the only thing I need. Also, the problem with Windows as well is the lighting. You can't control the lighting. You know, if you have light, if the windows are open, you can't control the lighting. So it doesn't work for filming. Win a trade today or oil up on camera. Okay. Deal. You look like you're 50, but you act like you're 13. Well, I guess that's a compliment, right? If I look like I'm 50, then I can only imagine how fucking, I don't even imagine what you look like. Literally. I can't imagine. I literally, if I look like I'm fucking 50, I can only imagine what your fucking fat ass, fucking loser ass looks like coming in my chat telling me I look like I'm 50. Here we go, baby. We're about to open up. 30 seconds till market opens. 30 seconds. Will we get a boner candle just straight to the upside here? Waiting, watching. We're right there at that pivot point. Pivot point of the 92s. Let's see how she rides. 11 seconds. I think if we get above this pivot point, be looking for that overnight high, data high to get taken out. And here we go. Pulling back to the VWAP for now. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. They're holding up at the VWAP for now. But I'd be scared to get below this level. $21,040 now. I want to see what happens at this 40 level. We bounced off there earlier. Being patient, no rush. Market trying to decide what it wants to do after the PPI report coming out there. So no trades right now, just waiting, patience. If I see something really juicy, I'm going to jump in here, make some money. I feel like if we lose this 40 level, then we're going to move back down to that gap fill here. Oh, there we go. Losing the 40s now. Straight down, Junior. Waiting, watching. Let's see what happens with any kind of pushback up if we get denied up here in the 30, 40, 50 area. Getting stuck below the VWAP. Build out a little bear flag there. Just want to be careful because we're still kind of right there at that fib area, right there in the middle of that big candle. And there's that little push. Now let's see what happens with the VWAP. The VWAP acts as resistance here. Gonna try to build out a bear flag possibly. Oof. Sticking there below the 40s. This thing wants to go lower. Key level for both the ES and the NASDAQ right now. Trying to hold on here. This is that little area of support on that last pullback here. Will they hold it? No trades yet. Still waiting. Let this play out. Do its thing. There's that rip back up to the VWAP now. Straight through the VWAP there. Let's see if these bulls have the power to get up there above that pivot point. We get back above that pivot point, be looking for the longs up there above the 140s next. Oh yeah, she wants it. See if I can watch this 1 minute chart. See if we get a little bull flag off the 21 EMA on the 1 minute chart now. Would be like right into here. I'm gonna try a long right here. Stop below the 50s and look for a push straight up through at least this 88 level. Well, that was quick-lived. Very quick-lived. But looking for 100 now. We get a push above the hundreds here. Right through that pivot point, and then I'll look to target maybe even higher. She wants it. Looking for that break through that 100 level here. We get through the hundreds, then I'm going to look to basically trail this by moving my stop up. Got 6 contracts long from the 76s, looking for that 100 area. Just right there below that pivot point. Hundreds looking for a push here. Get me through the hundreds, and I'm moving my stop right to the fucking 100 area. Right here, right now. Get it, push it. This is the 1 minute chart we're looking at. Looking for 21,100 to break. And then we got that 140 area possibly if we go straight up here. Both the ES and the NASDAQ trying to push. All right. I'm moving my stop 96s just to guarantee I lock in the profit here. If we do pull back, it's possible. But I like my 20 points. I'll take it. I'm going to move my stop up here to the 102s now and stopped out there from the 76s up there into the 102s to lock in a beautiful little trade, and it's still going higher. Let's go, boys and girls. Can I get the W's in the chat? Can I get the W's? Where are the W's? I need the W's, people. I need the W's. Woo! Put them on me. Put them on me. Put them on me. Hallelujah. Amen. 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 Not a bad trade to start the day there. Where are the haters at? Where are they at? Where are they at? What do they want? What do they want from me? We're winning. 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 Also, locking in profit here on my Tradeify accounts as well. From the 67s up there to the 108s. That's 5 accounts. So what is that? $5,000. You know, I can't be good at math and good at everything, people. Come on. Right? I can't do everything around here, people. All right, NASDAQ, I think this would get taken out 120 there next, and then you got our yellow line for the target even higher up there at the 142s. The play, like we said, I got in a little early before that pivot point there, but there's the break. Look at it, still going. I should have had a little bit, you know, I needed my cock to be a little bigger today. You know what I'm telling you? Know, just sometimes your cock, it ain't as big as it always is. Sometimes it's a little small. Sometimes it's big, you know, depending on the temperature. But, you know, I got the biggest cock around. Look at that thing. I mean, it is an actual cock on the side of my building. Ain't nobody got a cock this big in the whole entire trading space. Ain't nobody out there with the cock like this. Look at that thing. Woo! Cock-a-doodle-doo, motherfuckers. Cock-a-cock-a-doo-doo-doo. All right, NASDAQ. Wow, little dipskis back into the 80s, back up there to the 120s. We got some volatility, baby. I don't want to jinx it, but I mean, everything points to, you know, everything's pointing to that yellow line I put on the chart there earlier. I might not be the smartest man around, but I know when a market wants to go up. Damn, it kind of sucks though. Getting out a little early. Getting out a little earlier, but hey, you know, I blame the chat. It's the chat's fault. I get out early because the chat, you know. The chat really does it to me. You guys force me to get out early because people in the chat, they'd be like, if I don't get out, and let's say I don't get out and the market pulls back and then I get stopped out for break even, people would be like, you suck. You're the worst to ever do it. It's a lot. It's a lot of pressure, man. It's a lot of pressure. Let's get 1,000 likes here on the stream. We'll do some giveaways. Do some giveaways here. Patrick, where's Victoria? She's working. Relax. She got her own shit going on. What's Top Step TV doing? Nothing. Dude, who's this guy Isaac? Like, who does he think he is? Look at this guy. Got his fucking AirPods in. Anybody that uses fucking AirPods, you're a loser. Literally, you're a fucking loser. Like, hi, I have my AirPod in here. I'll be just talking with my AirPods. Get the fuck out of here, you loser. Like, imagine if I went on stream wearing fucking AirPods. Right? I mean, that would just be embarrassing. I'd be embarrassed. All right, so the NASDAQ still holding up here. Pivot point. Ear point. Damn kids. Damn bro, can't have my kids hearing you. It's okay. At no point in this whole entire fucking show have I been like, hey everybody, this is a family friendly show. Please have your kids surround the computer screen so everybody can hear. I am literally streaming from the big dick house and people will still be like, yeah, but Patrick, my kids, man, you know, like my kids. I watch your live stream every morning. But my kids, man, they can't, you know, they can't listen to you, Patrick. Tell your kids to fuck. This is rated R shit, people. Like I said, I am literally streaming from the big dick house. So it's your fault if your kids are watching. All right, I'm just putting that out there. Look at the NASDAQ still going. We got Brett Simba in the house. Tradeify paid for my massage last night. That was nice. I got nice little work. I got some body work done last night. You know, I work out so much. I gotta work on that body. Ooh, ow. My arm, I just had to cramp my arm. My arm's cramping. I had to drink enough water today. Happy ending. No, why do I need to, why y'all gotta be like that? Why y'all gotta be creepy people in the chat? Patrick, did you get a happy ending? No, I did not get a happy ending, you fucking creeps. God. Like, that's why I can't have Victoria on here because fucking weirdos in the chat. Always gotta be so creepy. Like, people just can't relax. You know? Just relax. Got the rolly. I kind of want to sell this Rolex because the problem is everybody's got a Rolex. I knew I shouldn't have bought a Rolex. I should have bought the AP. I'm going to go buy the AP, I think. The Rolex got my spit on it. This one costs $13,000. It's a Sea Dweller. All right. Hold on a second. I might have confirmation. All right, we got Nutty Bar. Nutty Bar possibly coming down on the 27th. 27th, Nutty Bar coming to town. I'm trying to get him to go live on YouTube for 2 days. All right, so the NASDAQ holding up here at the pivot point right now. I'm pretty happy with my profits we made already. So we'll see if we want another little kind of bull flag setting up here. It would be like through this level next. We got any news at 10 o'clock? I didn't even look. I did not even look, people. I need to look. What we got? I don't think we have any news coming. Oh, we do have a little bit of news. We have a Fed speaker. And yeah, we got Fed speaker at 10 o'clock. What the fuck's he going to be speaking about? It should be against the rules for a Fed speaker to speak during the market open or during the market hours. No speaking during market hours. Go do something else. Go speak to your mama, because we ain't got no time for your bullshit around here. All right, NASDAQ holding up here in the 90s, right there at that pivot point. The ES, the NASDAQ, everything trying to push. Will we get continuation, get above that data high there, the 140s? I think we could. I think it could. I think we could. $1 million question. Million dollar bills make you holla. The BDH, it seems so empty today. Where are all the traders at? We need more traders. See, like this could be a good entry for a long here, but it's just like, don't fight the trend, you know? I mean, we're going up. We're holding right there at the pivot, but it's like market's still kind of pulling back until one of these candles makes a new high. There's not really any reason to do anything here. It's kind of the way I look at it. And this is exactly why. Don't do it. See? Market pulls back, touches the VWAP down there. Patience, my friends. And when I say the market's not making any new highs on these candles, like, look, see this candle stuck, this candle stuck, this candle stuck, this candle stuck. So better to wait for kind of the first candle to make a new high. Well, to break above the previous candle high, if that makes sense. You would know that if you bought the course for $199. Woo! I mean, fuck, we got stuck there, triple top basically, ding, ding, ding. If you're just now tuning in, you missed out on the epic trade this morning. We made some money already. You guys missed out on the fun. We did it live here on YouTube, by the way. Everyone would be like, Patrick, you can never tell us when to get. Hey, I want confirmation in the chat, all right? I want confirmation just to make sure. Did you guys see this trade live? Did you see my entry? Did you see my exit? Did you see the plan? Did I talk about it before it happened? I just, sometimes people are like, Patrick, you never talk about it. I'm like, wait, I thought I talked about it. The C4, it kicks in and I just don't know what's happening sometimes. Ooh, look at that fucking bounce right there. All right, so this is what I want to see happen, right? I want to see this happen. I want to see a push up into here. I want to see another like lower high, a higher low, and then that breakout through there. Right, that's what I'm looking at. Would you mind showing your entries every day? I mean, I pretty much do. Dakota's long right now on Top Step TV. Dude, look at this guy. There's a guy on Top Step TV smoking his fucking cigar right now with AirPods in. You can't be serious. He can't be serious. Like, this can't be a serious person, right? Like, he's not serious. Like, is anybody out there like, oh man, this guy is smoking a fucking, look at this thing. I mean, this has to be the fucking funniest shit I've ever seen. I can't even show you that's how bad it is. This guy right here, watch, he's smoking a fucking cigar. Where'd he go? He was smoking a cigar. Like what? Like what? He's wearing AirPods, smoking a cigar, bro. Where'd he go? Here, he's gonna do it again. Wait. You gotta wait. I'm gonna click back.
NASDAQ waits for nobody.
Looks like Dakota getting stopped out here. He's long from 53s. Yeah, I'm trying to get this guy with his fucking AirPods. I gotta put him on the stream. We gotta call this shit out. Smoking a cigar, wearing a fucking cheap suit, wearing AirPods, acting like he's fucking somebody. Get him out of here, man. Just want to get him. I want to get him. Shame. 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 All right, just waiting. We're right here at the VWAP. I like the VWAP. We know we love the VWAP. Why is Dakota trading on a combine right now on live on Top Step TV? I thought they were only trading live accounts. What's going on over there? What are those guys doing? What are they doing over there? Fucking losers. Hey, it was their words, not mine. All right, this is kind of priming up for a short here, possibly. If we get through this 40 level, the gap fill, we closed yesterday at the 940s. There's the break. Always do the opposite of Top Step TV. They're long at 53. Get short. I'm just kidding. I'm just a little camaraderie, you know, just a little camaraderie. Oh, fuck! He did it again. He just blew out smoke with a cigar. This fucking guy is literally smoking a cigar with his fucking AirPods in, bro. With his AirPods. God, how can one man be so beta? It just ticking off all the boxes. All right, NASDAQ breaking to the downside here. Yesterday's close down there at the 947s. If we lose that 21,020 area, it's not good for the bulls. It's not good for the bulls here. If we lose that, we're short. Oh, we got filled. Like I said, if we break 20, we're going down. I'll take my 14 points. Look at it, still going. Oh, we love it. We love it. We love it. Hey, nothing I love more when it just keeps on going, right? Broke the 20s. Take my little easy profit. Hey, ain't nothing wrong. Ain't nothing wrong with taking your 20 points, walking away in the green, boys and girls. The bear flag playing out beautifully there. My competition's long, but I'm short. You know what I mean? My competition's long, but I am short. Bro, oh, he almost did it again. I really want to get... He keeps trying to... I want to see him smoking this fucking cigar. Why won't he won't do it whenever I put him on the stream? Come on, Shelby. Shelby. Do it. Oh, Dakota's long from the 53 still? No, I think he's out. He stopped out. Oh, come on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. All right, we're going to wait. I'm going to catch him. I'm going to get him. I'm going to get him. All right, nice little bear flag. That just like literally was on the 1 minute chart right through the 20s there. Look at how that played out. Oh, fuck, he just smoked. I keep missing the smoke. He's blowing smoke out. You see the smoke blowing out? This guy cannot be serious. TopStep will put any fucking weirdo on the internet on their TV show, I guess. This guy, like, what is going on? I'm just confused. I'm absolutely confused right now. Absolutely confused. I'm losing it right now. I can't even think about the trading anymore. I can't even think about it. I can't even think about it. All right. I mean, let me just put this out there. I think there's a very, very good chance that we take out this 950 area there next. Now, does that mean I want to get short right here? Maybe not, but just seeing where we're at here, that gap fill, the fact that we closed yesterday at that 950 area, you know, gap fill. So, and for anybody that's wondering, don't you worry. We are up on the day with my, I almost said fast track, with my Tradeify accounts. I got my Tradeify accounts in the green. We got our take profit funded account in the green there. We got these evals building up there as well. So nice and green here. Turbo Tuesdays. Took that little short there. Dude, baby. Can she still go lower? We're going to find out. $15-minute range. Got the orb here. There's our 15-minute opening range break to the downside here. It's our little late, almost 10 o'clock, getting that break. But you can see here on the 15-minute chart, painting that picture right there. I mean, that would be your target here through the 21,000s. Right now, I do not have any Apex accounts. I obviously took out my $600,000 payout, and then I just haven't gotten around to trading the evals back. It's nothing personal. I just the fast track is nice because it's straight to funded, and then I've just been messing around with take profit. Like I said, I'm not in any rush this year. Like, I didn't want to, like, you know, going into January, I was like, I want to focus on the BDH, get everything set up, get everything dialed in, you know, get my trading in a good spot. Because even last year, when I cashed out the $600,000 payout, like I talked about, it was like, you know, it was a lot to do. It's a big accomplishment. So I need to kind of get back to like square one again. I don't want to go into the new trading year thinking that I'm up 600,000. Like, I don't want that in my head. Right? I'm trying to like let that disappear, and then I want to start fresh, start at zero. It's a new year. It's a new me. So I'm totally fine with that, you know? I'm waiting for the 90% off. Correct. And here we go. Anybody in the chat still short from that bear flag we talked about? Anybody? Someone's got to be short still. I mean, we absolutely crushed this setup here. Top Step TV was long and we were short. And we win today. Maybe tomorrow we lose, but we're going to find out. Patrick, are you using the Bookmap? I'm not using Bookmap. You can see everything that I'm using right here. I got my 15-minute chart. I got the ES up there. We got the NQ 1 hour, 2 minute, and the 4 hour chart. You had the 15-minute break, 15-minute opening range right there, the low of the 15-minute opening range, right? We break through there, bang. I mean, the fact that like we're gonna take out that data low. I mean, I don't want to say 100%, but if I had to make a bet, I would bet that we do. You know what I mean? Like I would just bet there'd be a very good chance that we take out that data low now. Nothing is 100%, but I mean, that's pretty fucking obvious at this point. Once we lost this area right here, 21,000, it's just like, where's our next, where is the market going to go? You know, where is the next probable area? Probable. Well, it's down here. You got the data low and the close from yesterday. So you got two things sitting down there at that level now. They build out another little bear flag here, maybe a little pushback up, get denied. 21,000s would be ideal. Maybe another little bear flag set up here. 10 o'clock had a little bit of news come out there. Market deciphering the news. Look at the 1 minute chart. We got this 21 EMA up here, that 20 level, kind of like into here. Could set us up for a nice little bear flag setup here. Kind of this is the same exact like play in terms of just waiting for these candles to get denied and then turn into you know, resistance there. So let these candles kind of push back up, bring in some more liquidity above this 21,000 area. We're going to be retesting the 15-minute opening range as well. See this thing react to that 21 EMA right there. You can see how they're kind of like pushing above this little high right there, running that high or that little top right there, taking out some stops there. 21 EMA acting as resistance for now. Still, we have not had a candle make a new low or break the previous candle low yet. So Just waiting for that to happen. Kind of like if we get back below 21,000 here and see if we get that continuation to take out the data low there, the PPI low. All right, the bears want to basically this to get stuck like right in this level and then hammer it back down. Let's see if they're going to do that. Looking at the 10-minute chart here now. Got the VWAP up there at the 50 area. Still just kind of grinding back up here. Letting it do its thing. Just basically need this to like turn over, start rolling over here. If we're looking for the shorts, but right now just letting it push here. Both the ES and the NASDAQ are ripping back up here now. Tap the VWAP for now. Will that be the resistance? Back into the middle of the 15-minute range right now. Obviously, if we get back above the VWAP, things could change and the bulls could try to push. After kind of running those lows, well, running through the support area there. There's that little squeeze. And this is the best part. We don't have to short or do anything because we just wait for that push or wait for the setup here. You see that 15-minute candle pushed right back up into there. We're right at a pivot point on the ES. There's a pivot point on the NASDAQ up there at the 92s. Get through this 76 level and then see if we go hundreds again to push. Hundreds again. Need that VWAP support here for the bulls. You see there on the 10-minute chart, kind of like this idea of getting above this 70 level and then breaking out through here again. Now that we're back above the VWAP, just need to see if we're gonna be able to push. Through that 78 level, I think we go 800s or more. I mean, 800s, 100s there. There's the push through the 80s now. She's wanting it higher. There we go. Would you look at that? Another little bull flag playing out there. If you look at the 1-minute chart here, 1-minute chart had that little bull flag like right here. Chip. Back above the 21 and now targeting up into that data high area. Right there at that pivot point now. Pivot point there, the 93s. The ES and the NASDAQ both pushing back up here nicely. And you can see over here on that 15-minute chart, look at that big old engulf. If this thing engulfs, we got 2 minutes basically like through here and then up into somewhere else land. Dakota's trading a combine, by the way. So people in the chat talking about Dakota. He's trading a combine right now. It's kind of weird. Why is he trading a combine? I thought he's the top live trader out there. All right, NASDAQ back above the hundreds here, that pivot point. Sweet symphony here. Whew. NASDAQ always be playing them games. Popped up there right above that pivot point. Pulled it right back down. These wicks there, man. Those wicks are killer. Right there below that pivot point for now. Will they squeeze it? Got to get above that pivot point here. Woo! There's the ripper right above the hundreds here. Oh my Lord, baby Jesus. Little baby Jesus. Break it out here, bull flagging once again. Tell me this ain't gonna make a new high here. Tell me this ain't gonna make a new high, and I'll tell you it will. Bow, bow. Nasdaq just needs to rip right through all this resistance here, through this 30 area. I think 200s comes up there next. We have not broken the PPI high on the ES here either. So both the markets just right below this PPI report. PPI. Bow, 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 bow. I like how my the guy that works on my car, he's just like sending me cars for sale. Like, hey, you should buy this Lamborghini SV for only $500,000. I'm like, bro, I already got a Lamborghini. I think people think I'm a lot richer than I am. You know, obviously I'm a millionaire, but I'm not like a quadrillionaire. You know, to buy like how many Lambos does one man need? The problem is I can only drive one at a time anyway. And I'm like, fuck, you know, I got too many Lambos. Nasdaq just playing games up here at the highs right now, pulling back once again. I mean, the ES, the Nasdaq, everything's kind of just lining up for push through these highs. That 30 area, 36, 37, 40, 140. We got the 15-minute range high there at the 30s. You could trade the opening range break again here above the 30s if we break out to the upside. It's an idea. VWAP is down at the 58s. Just waiting to see what happens here. 5-minute chart, little pullback there again. Just need to stay above the VWAP here for the longs. The ES and the NASDAQ pulling back here together. Same kind of setup. They're both just stuck there at the highs. Market loves to do this kind of shit. Make it real, just make you sit here for a while and then finally go straight up. Oh, he's doing it. The guy's Top Step TV smoking a cigar, bro. He's so cool. Dude is sick. How many likes we got here? How many likes? Got 961 likes. Get 1,000 likes here. We'll blow it up and do a little giveaway here. NASDAQ just in a massive range right here now. The bulls are trying to hold the VWAP. Bulls are trying to hold the VWAP here. And dip it on down here once again. Good Lord. The chop is real. Just dipping it down there below the VWAP for now, they said. Let's see. Just want to see like a reaction right here to try to get back up there above that 70 level. This candle right here is right there at the VWAP. It needs to just for the bulls. Or we're pulling back here again. Patience. The ES is like right at the VWAP. The NASDAQ's right here at the VWAP. Everything's just sitting at the fucking VWAP, man. Do something, VWAP. Bounce it. If we get a nice aggressive push back up above that 70 level, then I think we could look for a long opportunity for a little bull flag. If we get like, got to get back up through here though. Know what I mean? Looking for aggressiveness, just aggressive. Kind of like that. A little bit more though. Got a good trouble. Right into that 21 EMA again. Oof. It's like flirting with the idea of boner candle right now. I feel the tension. It's flirting with the idea of it, but just not committed yet. It's a little shy right now. Nasdaq's being a little shy right now. This could also be kind of play out as a bear flag as well if we kind of lose this support there. We just don't. If they lose this lower high right here, obviously moving on down again. $40 battles. Battle at the 40s. We lose this 40 support. It is probably heading on back down to the lows again. There's that 30 touch. See if they start to speed up through this 30 area next. Kind of just drop right into the 20s there. There's that 20, 18s. She's speeding up through here. Just right in the middle of that fucking range. Dropping through the 40s, the bear flag playing out there. We got stuck just right there at that 21 EMA, right there at the VWAP for now. Oh, Lord. Nasdaq getting a little wild right here, bouncing around 21,020s again. Looking at this kind of like that 15-minute chart. If we look here at the 15-minute, we lose the low of this 15-minute candle and then get down into this 960 area next. Should be the trade. Time's at 10:30 right now. 10:30. See if we get another bear flag here. That 960 area down there just wants to get touched. It just wants to get touched, man. I'm telling you, it just wants to get touched. '96s, '93s. Trading's hard. Why is trading so hard? Trading so hard. Oh, the dude on trade. Oh, he's on Top Step with his fucking dude. What a fucking loser. God, if I ever start smoking a cigar on the live stream, people just really make fun of me, please. Like, make so much fun of me that I just, like, just really make fun of me. Please, people. Please. Please. Oh yeah, we got the speaker, right? We got a little speaker today. Little speaker today. Fed speaker. All right, so right now on the day here with the take profit accounts, I got this funded account. It's maxed out, almost $8,000 in profit in just one funded account with Take Profit Trader. And then we've got the the Tradeify accounts. We're up 10,000. So we're chilling right now. NASDAQ still wants to go lower, baby. Looking for that 960 area down there. That's your close from yesterday. Get through this low. Well, yeah, 966 and then 950 area down there. Market just trying to decide if it's going to do it easily or hard. Sometimes the market does it easy. Sometimes it does it hard. But we got flags everywhere. Flags, good for your heart. Flags, they make you fart. Man, this the bigger time frames right now. Look at these candles. Bigger time frame candles right now. Just 15-minute chart. Ooh, ooey, ooey. You just don't want to make it easy on us. But I do feel like it wants to go downtown into the 80s now. Will more sellers come in here through the 80s, get down there into the 60s, 70s? I think they will. I think they will. I think they will. God, I love it. I just fucking love it, boys. Daddy loves it. Locking in some more profit there in the Tradeify accounts. Now down there into the 70s. The shorts are winning. I mean, come on. Tell me that this does not just look like the fucking perfect place to break through there. I mean, 1, 2. Come on, people. Come on. Come on. I might not be a smart man, Jenny, but I know when it wants to go up and I know when it wants to go down, Jenny. I know. I know. And by the way, if you look here at my, these are my Tradeify accounts. I started these accounts last Friday when Brett was here, and we're up $8,700 in 5 accounts in 3 days, baby. 3 days. 3 days. There we go, baby. There we go. The Nasdaq is still going. Hey. Hey. What'd I say? Bear flags. Bear flags. Bear flags. Bull flags, bear flags. All you need. Don't I love to keep it simple, my friends. I love to keep it simple. I mean, it's just like, hey, look at the bigger time frames. See where the bottom of the candles are. See where there's levels at. Okay, I got my level. I'm like, okay, that's 67 level. I got this 45 down here. I go to the 2-minute chart. I get my little bear flag. Go to the 1-minute chart if you really want to see it. But I got a little bear flag. Whee! I mean, this was probably like the fucking entry of the day right there. If you took that bear flag, getting stuck below the VWAP, getting stuck below the 21 EMA. I mean, tell me that ain't good. You know, tell me that ain't good. I dare you. I dare you. Look at it. Where are we at now, boys? Where are we at now, chat? What's the level now? What's the level now? He just plays both sides. What is he? Okay, I want to make this very clear. For all the fucking morons in the chat, let me explain to you how I play both sides. How is it possible? I have 5 funded accounts with Tradeify, and they're green. So how am I playing both sides? Look at the entry. Short, 97. Cover, 74. How can I play both sides, you dumb fucks? God, this is literally the biggest joke ever. It's literally a joke. How? How is it possible? How can I be green in every single fucking account if I play both sides? How? How is that possible? How? How is that possible? How? Yeah, they don't have a fucking answer. How? How did I get a $600,000 payout if I play both sides? The math don't do math. The fucking retards in the chat don't do math. They're fucking losers. Patrick, he trades both sides. Hey, let me break it down really quickly here. If I made $600,000 playing both sides, fucking congratulations. I'm a genius, right? I am a motherfucking genius. Because I did something that nobody in my chat will ever do. And no offense to you guys, I love you, but nobody in the chat is ever going to get a $600,000 payout. And I know that's fucked up to say, but I did it. You didn't do it. You little fucking just worthless. It's And again, it's not everyone in the chat. It's just these fucking morons. Every day, it's like, Patrick, you only make money because you go long and short. How does that work? How is it possible? Explain it to me. God. Oh, man. Look at that little bounce there off the 950. Why didn't you trade that reversal? I don't trade every fucking move, guys. God. You know, like, Patrick, why did you not get long? Patrick, why did you not get short? Patrick, why did you not buy now? Patrick, why did you not short now? Patrick, why do you use a VWAP? Patrick, why do you use this? Patrick. God. It's insanity. It's just insanity. Just sit back and watch the show. You know, just sit back and watch the fucking show. Just sit back and watch the show. Just sit back and watch the show. God. God, the fucking place smells like shit. They're doing they're roofing. There's fuckers next door. They're putting on a new roof and they're doing hot tar, and it literally smells so bad right now. Fuck my life. Mental breakdown. Hey, Eminem. I have been on YouTube for 8 years, you fuck. I have been on YouTube for 8 years. Yeah. Shut it. I ain't going nowhere. I'm number one for a reason. I'm on the tippity top for a reason. Yes, we'll do the giveaway here. God. Where are the girls at? The girls are working. We're launching multiple business right now. I'm launching. I've got BDH. I've got some other stuff I'm working on. I can't tell you yet because it's top secret. We're launching a hot Pilates studio. Gonna fucking make so much money off hot Pilates. I'm gonna open up 10 of them bitches all over America. It's gonna be sick. If you don't have haters, you're doing something wrong. I agree. I 100% agree. What does BDH stand for? The Big Dick House. Correct. Very much correct. That's what it stands for. Big old cock. That's on the side of the building. Look at that. BDH, big old dick. You know, I like to keep things fun around here, you know? Keep it fun. A little bit of laughter, a little bit of fun, you know? A little bit of laughter, a little bit of fun. Oh, my picture's so big. Oh! Look at that. Big old cock. Pretty sick cock. Well, it looks like everybody at Top Step's in the red right now, so congrats. Good job over there, boys. Keep doing what you're doing. People like you is what helps the world go around. Bald Dude Headquarters. That's pretty good. All right. I see Dakota is long right here at the 985. Should we go short? I think this wants to take out that low, boys. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. He's not trading a live account, so it doesn't count because you can't fade people trading the combine because, you know, they don't trade the same. If you're ever going to fade someone, don't fade someone trading a combine because, like, you know, mentally they're not in the same spot. They're not in the right spot. So it's not a good fade. Not a good fade. Trade Brigade. What's up? What's up with Trade Brigade? Who are these guys? I've never even seen these guys. Got 130,000 subscribers? Wow. Oh, I have seen you. Sorry. No, I did. I think I left a tip on your channel. Tip on the channel. I tipped you. Hey, Patrick, I love to come have a trading competition against you. I bet I'll beat you. Hey, Daniel, how about this? Stick your head up your ass and fucking fight for air. That's what you should do. Patrick, I'm going to come beat you. Okay. Sounds good, bro. Sounds good. No problem, bro. Totally. Everybody wants to fucking Patrick. I'll trade better. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I've heard that one before. Remember when ICT said he was going to win the Robbins Cup and bet me $500,000? Yeah. Well, guess what? He didn't fucking pay the $500,000 bet. Yeah. I've heard that one before. Everybody wants to bet Patrick. Hey, Patrick, I bet you I could beat you. How about this? How about you get your own fucking office, you start a fucking live stream, and then you beat me that way? How about that? How about you beat me at my, beat me at life, and then we'll talk. Because right now, I'm winning. Right now, I am winning. I built an office just to put my Lambo in it, okay? That's how fucking rich I am. Well, I told you to fucking go short when Dakota went long. Come on, people. Who's getting long here? Top Step TV, fucking number one over there. I'm telling you, I feel like they really are just doing everything they can to make sure that people blow up their accounts. See, that's why I don't own a prop firm, because it would be, you know, against my interest. If I had a prop firm, then I would have to tell you guys to do bad trades, because I'd be like, hey, everybody get long right here. Hey, everybody in the chat, get long at 85 so that you can blow up your account. You know, hey. The only way that Dakota makes money is if Top Step has people losing. That's the only way they can pay for Top Step TV. Oh. Dude, Dakota's on fire over there right now. This guy's on fire. I told you to fade it. You guys didn't believe me. You didn't fucking believe me. Look at this. Look at this. It's fucking comedy. Dude, look at he's doing it. Oh, he had the cigar for a second. Look at this fucking loser. Pull that cigar back out, you fucking loser with your AirPods in. This dude's got fucking AirPods in. Right now, look at them. They're long. Long from 983. Not a good spot to be long at. God. Classic. Value area, value, blah, blah, blah. Everybody always talking shit. Oh, value this, value whatever. Value my cock. How about that? Yeah, what's the value of my cock? That's what I want to know. That's what I want to know. Oh, look, we made a new low. Who would have thought? Oh, look, it's still going lower. Oh my God. BDH, baby. Oh, Dakota hit his max loss in the combine today. Oh, poor little guy. Poor Dakota. I actually like Dakota. It's nothing personal. It's just that he's, you know, Top Step TV is absolutely just the biggest clowns around. And then, yeah, it's funny. I have not seen rips on Top Step TV in a while. I wonder why. I wonder what's he doing? Why is he not on Top Step TV anymore? I have no idea, but that's weird. Okay, now you should have taken that trade. Those trades where you just know where it's going are the best. Yeah, no, I know. I could have. Do I like Rips? Oh yeah, I love Rips. Great guy. I actually bought some of his skincare. You guys, do you hear? Yeah, I bought some of Rips skincare. It's got really bad reviews, but you know, I thought I'd try it out just to see, you know, maybe the people on the internet, you know, maybe they're wrong, maybe they're lying, you know, maybe it's the lawfare, but we'll see. Do you notice a difference? Does anybody notice a difference in my skin? I've been using Rips' skincare. I don't know if it works, you know. The reviews not so good, but oh man. I wonder how Brett Simba's feeling right now. Brett's over there looking at my account and going, God damn it. Got a big payout coming. How many more days do I need with Tradeify? I got 3 days of $3,000. So I should be good on the 20% consistency rule, right? Like how many more days do I need to make money to get a payout? I got to figure this out. I'm not that good with math. They should, you know, these prop firms should have like a calculator, right? Like a calculator that tells you like exactly how much you need to make and exactly like what percentage is. Like, hey, if there's anybody in the chat, that might be $1 million idea. That could be $1 million idea, you know? It could be. Gifted Kings said that he was down this morning, but you effortlessly got me up. No Diddy. Well, I mean, that could be you know, that could be interpreted in many different ways. That could be, you know, I got you up. Oh, okay. Hey, no, I'm not. Hey, no, you know, no judgment. No judgment. I think it was funny. The guy at the car show that came up to me and said, Patrick, I heard your voice. I'm like, damn, this dude heard my voice. Heard my voice, man. What was that website? Botrix, right? Botrix. Yeah. Oh, no. Fuck. What was that website? Botrix giveaways. Let's do a giveaway here. We got a giveaway, baby. All right. So for today's giveaway, you can sub to the channel, or you can just type in the chat. LOL TSTV. LOL TSTV for your entry. LOL TSTV will get you entered into the giveaway here. All right, we're doing the giveaway. We got the giveaways coming. This is for a 50K take profit trader account. LOL TSTV for entry. Are you guys typing it? It's not going up anymore. No, together. Guys, you got to do it together. No, it has to be together, you people. Come on, together. LOL TSTV, together. One word, together. Sorry. Together. Put it together. Well, look at that hourly chart. You guys are having a hard time over here. LOL TSTV. All right, we got 36. Like, I don't know why it's not. You also have to be subscribed to the channel, by the way. All right, it's going up quicker now. We're going up. Nasdaq's trying to make a new low here. Don't tell me I didn't tell you so. All right, now we're cranking. Doing the giveaway here in 30 seconds. And by the way, you only have to type it twice. You don't have to type it 100 times. By the way. How is there only 180? I don't know. All right, stop typing, everybody. Just stop typing. God. Stop typing. All right. Here we go. For the winner. I'm going to give it like one more second to see if it comes through anymore, but I think we're maxed out here. And we're rolling. Who will it be? 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 Do 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 do. A Zeke. A Zeke. A Zeke. You got to write something in the chat to win right now. You better do it. Get to work. Write something in the chat if you want to. If you got it. All right. AZIC G. Locked in, baby. Let's go. You spelled my name wrong. You spelled your name wrong. I don't write the names. That's not you spell your name. All right, for the next giveaway, we got to make it a little bit more fun. We're going to go on Twitter, get the Twitter world going here. Look at the NASDAQ still making new lows. I can't even, I literally, this smell is killing me. It just like makes my eyes water. Is it like, am I just being dramatic or? It's just like, I just like smell it. I can't work in these conditions. Got to put up the P&L on the Twitter. Let the world know that the BDH is green, green, green. We so green it hurts. We so green that it hurts. That's right. All right. I just put a post on Twitter. The next giveaway will be from Twitter there. We got one more Take Profit account to give away here. Link in the chat. Where is Victoria? Victoria's working. She can't be here every day. Relax, people. She's my girlfriend, not your girlfriend. You can't have her. Ooh, someone just tagged me. Uh-oh. When I left the car show the other day, I did like a burnout and I almost hit a bunch of people on accident, obviously. But I've been waiting to see if somebody would post it on Twitter or post it on YouTube. Nope, that's not it. It's just a car. Damn it. It was wet. The concrete was wet, by the way. You know, don't give me that. I'm gonna go film a video at the new Aventador later on today, so hyped on that. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do to the Aventador. The Aventador. The Aventador. Look at the NASDAQ still going lower. Still going lower here, baby. I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to do, if I'm going to do a twin turbo. Twin turbo on the Aventador or not. my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, it's at Patrick Wieland Inc. I'll be posting that fire stuff all the time on there. Just a bunch of fire stuff. If you like Victoria, you might see her on there as well every once in a while. You little weirdos. Twin turbo on the VP. Now I got twin turbo on the Huracan. I kind of like, all right, here's a question for the chat. Should I trade the Huracan and the Aventador for a new Revolto? You know, that's like the next question. The Revolto is like 700,000. So if I could trade the Aventador and I could trade the Huracan. The Huracan's twin turbo. You know, I feel like I can't afford a Bugatti. Bugatti's too expensive. $2 million. And if I'm going to spend $2 million, I'm buying a new boat. You have the V10 and the V12. Yeah, it's true. I do feel like I've heard that with the new Revolto, with the Lambo, if you do any modifications to it, then Lamborghini will actually blacklist you. So, do I want to get blacklisted? I don't know. Get yourself a Toyota. Yeah, bro. I'm going to get me a Toyota. Well, look at the NASDAQ. Moving on down here. Top Step Live account is down $3,000 on the day right now. LOL. LOL. Buy an SF90. Do I look... I was going to say something else, but do I look like a peasant? SF90s are terrible. They are literally just dropping. Only losers drive SF90s. You know, just putting that out there. Only losers. Buy American. I got a Ford truck and I got an Escalade. Why not a McLaren? I already had a McLaren. The McLarens are highly unreliable. How's your F1 team? It's not good yet. Oh my gosh. NASDAQ still going. Sherm. Pat, I sent an email to only prop firms that are winning. How do I activate my new account? You should, we're going to give your email to Take Profit Trader, and then they should be able to add it to your account with your email. You have a 911 GT3 RS. You're fabulous. Oh, thank you. Get a 65 Cobra, completely different driving experience. Have you ever driven a twin turbo Huracan? That is a completely different driving experience, my friends. AZIC, send an email to info@onlyprofirms.com. We got to get your emails over to Take Profit Trader. Isaac on Top Step TV is long at 5,870 on the ES. Those guys are just back to back to back, fucking blowing it. Killing it over there. Twitter giveaway. Yes, Twitter giveaway. Here we go. Twitter giveaway. All right. What we got? I got 145 comments. 125 comments. Working on Twitter giveaway. Picker. Oh, got blocked. Twitter picker. What? What? Commentpicker.com. All right. Here we go. Twitter giveaway winner. Oh, God. Something's wrong. I want to start. Start. No, start. No, start. No, start. The fuck? All right, we're gonna do it old school. We're gonna have to do it old school, people. Close my eyes. We're gonna close my eyes here. Just gonna do it old school. We're gonna scroll. Hey, look at this picture. How'd this guy get this photo? Look at my, what was I doing? No, oh God, I had hair and I had no shirt on. What was happening in that photo? I think that was when I accepted my best live stream award, voted by the people. All right, here we go. I'm closing my eyes. I swear I'm not looking. I swear I'm not looking. I'm looking this way, people. I'm looking this way. I'm scrolling up. I'm scrolling down. I don't even know if it's working, but I'm going to stop right here. Crypto scalper. Crypto scalper. Let's go. You little crypto scalper. I'll send you a DM. Just need your email. Crypto scalper. You crazy kids. Guys, people always get like upset. Like I cannot, hey, there's 150 things. Like, what do you want me to do? John Vargas, I did not vote. Hey, literally, Tanya Trades had votes. Top Step TV had votes. Everybody had votes. I can't help it. It was a fair voting system. Top Step TV won. Top Step TV won the fucking the prop firm of the year award. How can you buy the course? Onlypropfirms.com. Is it? Are people don't know how to buy the course? If you want to buy the course, you just go to onlypropfirms.com and you click on the course. All right. Link in the chat there. All right, so another day, another dollar. We bounced off this pivot point down there. We broke through this low. That was that data low that we were talking about all morning for the idea of getting through there, right? We took out that big move up, kind of chopped around, made this push down. What's crazy is that this 15-minute candle, and then here at 10:45, made that move down here to this pivot point at the 898 area. Buy a Toyota Corolla. Go fuck yourself. You go buy a Toyota Corolla. The fuck am I gonna buy a Toyota Corolla? Do you win funded accounts or evals? You're gonna win evals. Everybody in the chat trying to tell me what to do. I ain't listening to you guys. I ain't listening. I ain't listening. I ain't listening. You're not gonna tell me what to do. No, no, no. No, no, no. Not gonna get me, boys. Thoughts on a 65 GTO? They're cool. I have nothing against them. People always be like, they think I don't like, just because I don't own a muscle car doesn't mean I don't like a muscle car. It's just like, I don't know, buying what I want, man. I got a big truck. I got a Escalade. I got it all. Living the dream. Pat, have you thought about making a trading bot? Yeah, I get emails every day from people saying that they can make a trading bot for me. So I don't know. I haven't really thought a lot about it. What is it about the GT RS that you like driving? I have a GT3 RS, not the GT2. GT3. How about an AMG Mercedes? LOL, the guy on Top Step TV smoking a cigar is trading in a practice account. You gotta love it. You gotta fucking love it, man. That is some funny shit right there. The guy wore a suit. The guy wore a suit to go on Top Step TV to trade in a practice account. That right there, my friends, that right there, that's some funny shit. The guy wore a suit, he wore his AirPods, he's smoking a cigar, and he's trading in a practice account. Not even a combine, but a practice account. Good Lord. Good Lord, fam. And he's in the red too. Classic. He's long at the bottom down here on the ES at 70. Classic. Absolutely classic. What a tool. What a tool. Let's look at the ES and why getting long at the 870s was not a good idea. I don't know. Let's look at it. Let's figure this out. I like to you know, re-engineer people's strategies sometimes and look and see, like, so he bought this dip here. It dipped all the way down 10 points on the ES, pushed back up there into the green, and then now pulling back again. So yeah, no, I think it was a bad spot to get long. So ooch, oochie, 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 oochie. Ooh, no bueno, no bueno, no good, no good. Jefe, no good. Hey, El Jefe, no good, no good. What is it about the people wanting to go against a trend? I think it's just people want to be right more than they want to make money, right? Like it's easy to buy the dip thinking the market's going to push back up than it is to get short thinking it's going to go lower. As funny as that sounds, right? Like I don't know, for me, you know, why haven't you bought a short? Well, I'd have to sell a short, but I'm already up 15,000 in my funded accounts, and then I'm up another 8,000 in the funded account. So I'm okay. I'm okay with not, you know, taking trades all day, every day. If you have no problem holding long, then why not hold short? What? Huh? Sometimes the questions, I don't know how to answer them. Is the knife done falling? Maybe. Maybe not. You never know. Can you take more trades with a paper account to show your IDs? IDs? No. That is not good trading. Anyone that thinks, so this is, I want to make it very clear, right? People think like, oh, once you make money trading your real account, you should trade a practice account and just practice. But that's not trading. That's not practice. That's literally just creating bad habits, right? That's just creating bad habits. Because now it's like, if I'm already in the green, why am I going to fuck with it? You know, it's a bad habit. It creates FOMO. If you look at the ES has a pivot point down here at the 56s. Your eyes are trained to see what you experience. Mine are not. Can you tell me, is it going to go up or down from here? I don't know. You tell me. I think there's a better chance of going down than going up, but that doesn't mean that it can't chop around here and then go lower. At the end of the day, the trend is down. We broke key levels. We have a pivot point down here at the 855s. This is the ES, by the way. The NASDAQ right now sitting at this pivot point. You know, so I ain't trying to just be, you know, getting all crazy. The problem is, again, right? If you make money trading your good setups, you make money, and then you just start playing around in a practice account, it's not like good behavior. It creates FOMO. It creates like this need to want to trade, right? When I'm done trading, I just walk away and I don't think about it ever again. I literally, like, when I turn this stream off, I'm going to leave the office and I am not going to think about the market for the rest of the day. And then tomorrow morning, I'm going to come in, I'm going to look at the market, I'm going to wait for the open, I'm going to take a trade. But I don't need any type of emotion. I don't need any FOMO. I don't need nothing. You know, it's just like trade the setups that you're supposed to trade, make the money, and then leave. You don't need to continue to trade practice account for the rest of the day. So, and I've been doing this for 8 years now. And you know, it's easy. It is easy to get caught up in this idea that you can just keep making money, money, money. You know, it's very easy to get caught up in that mindset, because if you just like think that you have to always be in trades, like I got to always be trading, I got to always get into a trade, it just creates really bad habits. So that's what I'm trying to avoid here. And hey, again, if I can make money on the first trade of the day and then walk away, like what's wrong with that? There's nothing, like, who cares, right? First trade of the day, we got long at 67. We took profit at the 108s. Cool. Now it's like, okay, but look, oh, the market's still moving, but like, hey, that's what, 40 points? Yeah, 40 points. Like, I'll take that. Like, there's nothing wrong with that being done. You know, lock it in. Be done. Make your money and walk away, man. I didn't start trading so that I could trade 9 to fucking 5. Like, my goal in life was not to be like, hey, I want to be a full-time trader and I want to trade every day, 9 a.m. to 5 o'clock, you know, like no. My goal was like, I want to make money in the morning and then I want to walk away. The only reason that I'm still here right now is because of the live stream. But in general, so many people get caught up in this idea that they can just keep trading all day long, keep trading. But there's a reason that we focus on the open. We focus on the open because that's when you get the most momentum, you get the volume, you get the action. We get in, we get out, we walk away. We don't need to continue fucking trading in a practice account. If I'm already green on the day, why do I need to practice? I just wait for the next day, the next opportunity, the next setup. I don't need to fucking, this ain't practice. I'm not like fucking playing basketball needing to practice. No. I identify a setup, I take this setup, and then I walk away. Right? I don't need practice, if that makes sense. Like, I don't need to practice the idea of a bull flag and a bear flag. And that is exactly like this right here, right? We talked about this exact move. We had this wick getting stuck, right? We were getting stuck below the VWAP here. We had our little bear flag. Look at the 1 minute chart. I mean, this is fucking textbook, absolutely textbook bear flag. I mean, it literally could, if you took a fucking picture of this and you put it on Wikipedia, the whole entire world would be like, oh yeah, that's a bear flag. You know, the textbook. We broke through the VWAP. We pushed back up into the VWAP. We get stuck. 21 EMA. Bam. And look at that. Look at the risk to reward on that bitch. We took out this low. We filled the gap. We're down here at this pivot point. Fucking on it, boys. On it right here. Absolutely on it. And the best part is, these bear flags, these bull flags, they repeat every day. Every day. Every day there's a new flag. There's a new setup. Look at the bigger time frames. It all plays out. It's the same shit over and over and over. Right now, what are we doing? I don't know. We're right where we consolidated back there on Monday, end of day. A lot of kind of support in this level for now. That would make it so that, hey, market might chop around here, consolidate here for a little bit. But you can see how we took out this low at the 950s. We moved down to this pivot. Now we consolidate. Whenever there's a big move, guess what happens next? Consolidation. And then what happens after consolidation? Another move. That's just how the market moves, right? The market moves basically like certain levels. We end up bouncing. We end up chopping, getting consolidation. The market's like moving. You know, it's a wave. It's like that's literally like the market just moves in waves, my friends. I can't even find the thing, but like, look at this. Like, how's the market move? Wee, like that. Just moves in waves, man. This chart is insane right now. It's like, wow. And the funny part is, again, like if you're looking here at the bigger time frames, this kind of does now look like maybe it does pop back up into this level a little bit. You know, we're getting away from the 21 EMA right now, pushing back up. Could push back up into this area here. You know, just patience. Right now, it's on what? Almost 11:30, 11:22. Chilling. I'm chilling. That's all we got to do here. Just chilling. There's no rush. It's all good. So, yeah, there it is. We're doing it live every day from the BDH. You make all the trades with the strategy that you sell. Guys, it is literally, I just trade bull flags and bear flags. You know? It ain't rocket science. What do you think will happen if the market transitions to 24/7, 365? Nah, the open will always be the open. I promise you. Trust me. The algorithms in the market's always gonna, 9:30 when that bell rings, shit's gonna hit the fan. No matter if it's trading 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. The market, it'll still be like 9:30 open. Market will move. Yeah, who made money today? Who made money today? Who made money today? Let's go in the chat. Tim Bible making some money today. Let's go, baby. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. All right. I think I'm going to wrap it up here. I got some stuff I got to do. I got a haircut, actually. I know it sounds funny to say, but yeah, I got to do that. Give me a haircut. I got a big fishing tournament this week. I don't know if you guys remember, but last year we won this fishing tournament. So the fishing tournament that's coming up this weekend, we won it last year. We walked away with like $300,000 in fucking payouts. So a lot of pressure this week. Big week for us. So I probably won't be live on Thursday or Friday. Dude. Elias Payman, do you make all the trades with this strategy? Yes, I make all the trades. All of them. Hey, Boof, we don't weigh the fish, you dumb fuck. Was it when you beat MJ? Yeah, we beat Michael Jordan last year. They're in Costa Rica now, so won't be able to beat them this year. What does the BDH stand for? You already know. You already know. How much is your boat to keep each year? I spent $1 million last year on the fishing team. So whatever you do, don't start a fishing team. It's bad. It's real expensive. All right. Gary Elliott studied ICT for 18 months, got one payout, took my course in December, and took a $10,000 payout. Let's fucking go. Let's go, baby. Fucking ICT. What a loser. All right, NASDAQ finding support there at the pivot point for now. And a little push back up. So great time to walk away. What's the win rate of your strategy? Win rate means nothing. PW, what finally clicked for you that allowed you to get to this level of discipline and confidence? I just stopped doing stupid shit, man. Honestly. That was the biggest thing, right? Just stop doing stupid shit. So, there it is. I wish I had all the answers to tell you, but you know, can't give you everything for free. If you want to learn more, check out the course. It's $199. We're live from the BDH today. Thought I would just get back to the old school ways of just hanging out with you guys. Just me. It's just me. Is it just you? Is it just you? Or is it just me? Rachel, stop doing stupid shit. Patrick Wieland 2025. I mean, that honestly is the biggest secret to trading. Just stop doing stupid shit. If you want to make money, literally just stop doing stupid shit. NASDAQ ripping back up off of that pivot point now. And hey, this again, the best part about these bear flags is like, hey, you know, I'm looking at this, I'm watching it, and I'm like, hey, well, look, it broke to the upside. So what does that tell me? I don't need to worry about getting short. All right? Let the market do what it's going to do. Find your setups and then just wait. You know, we talked about kind of a bull flag setup here earlier, like this little area. We're like, okay, maybe if this will be the higher low, and then we get that. But look, it just never really formed. And we got the move down, so. Wow, what was that? Look at that little trap. Where is your $300,000 personal account? It's at your mom's house. I spent all my money on Lambos. I can't afford to put $300,000 into a personal account. And you can see NASDAQ reacting to that close from yesterday. Do you like the dollar cost average into trades? No. Switch to the 5-minute chart. Okay. Bear's about to get paid. Bear's about to get paid. Patrick, do you use SMT? No. No. All right, I got to get out of here. The chat, the questions, this get worse as the day goes on. Patrick, do you use Fibonacci? Patrick, do you use the candlesticks? What do you use? All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We're back for another day of winning BDH, baby. You know how we do. You know how we do. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace to the Middle East. Look, I'm barefoot. I don't have any shorts on. I'm butt naked right now. It looks like I'm naked. But I do have shorts on. But I could be naked also. You never know. Ginger would know. But nobody else would know. Do you recommend stops or just go with raw mental stops? I guess it depends on your discipline. Probably the biggest thing. So. I'll be live tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. I got too much stuff to do today. I can't do a stream later, but we'll be back tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Don't miss me too much. You know, don't miss me too much. Don't miss me too much. I'm going to miss you guys. I'm going to miss you guys. I mean, the mental stop is fine if you have a plan, right? But like, don't trade with a mental stop with no plan. Like if your mental stop is, oh, I'm going to get stopped out at, you know, 920 on this short and it goes to 950. Well, obviously there's an issue there. And you can see this bear flag wanting to go. I think downtown. And just look really quickly here. I like to look at this hourly chart. We've got like 860 area over here on the left for that kind of move down. So I think, yeah, top step is long right now. So probably a good time to get short. Poor guys, poor guys. I gotta go. Peace to the Middle East, people. All right, I do have to go though.